The Mini Lone Wolf is made out of the same 1095 steel, the same divots on there, and you can see it's stained with elk blood and deer blood. And this is a great little knife because, like, if I'm sitting here and I have a small carving task to take place, then what I'm going to do, you know, I could pull my little one out. But I don't want to use my big knife. I'm trying to be careful. There is a few splines in this. What we're going to do, we're just going to give it just a little bit of air. We don't want this to start smoking for us. But this is a great knife for small carving tasks, for making feather sticks, for carving spoons, carving utensils, fine carving tasks, whatever it is. And if you don't want to carry a ferrocerium rod, it is designed to fit perfectly snug down in there like that.